Thinking about getting comprehensive managed cybersecurity for your business? In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know before signing that contract. Hi, I'm Rob Schenk. I'm a partner here at ITS. Today, we're going to answer your questions regarding managed cybersecurity for your business. Who is a good fit for ITS managed cybersecurity? ITS managed cybersecurity is ideal for businesses that rely on technology on a daily basis, companies that store sensitive information, companies that need to comply with regulatory standards, or companies that want to protect their clients, their reputations, and their bottom lines. On the other hand, not everyone will be able to maximize the benefits of the service, and some companies will be better served looking at other providers or other alternate pathways. These include small organizations with 15 or fewer team members, or businesses that simply don't want to invest in cybersecurity. Should I get ITS managed cybersecurity, or should I build a team myself? Building your own security operations team is a good option for larger businesses, albeit a very expensive one, like 7 figures plus type of investment. However, there are some major factors that you need to consider before doing so. These include hiring the right people, getting the right tools and systems, investment, and regulatory compliance. Hiring the right people. Security professionals are few and far between. That makes hiring your own team and information security officer an expensive endeavor, not to mention the recruiting process is going to be a time-consuming one. ITS Managed Cybersecurity lets you tap into our team of skilled and certified experts at much more reasonable rates. Getting the right tools and systems. Finding the right tools and systems for your business can be a challenge. You need to consider your budget, how effective these tools are, and how well they can integrate into your existing systems. ITS Managed Cybersecurity can help you navigate these challenges. A reliable provider such as ITS can help you find solutions that fit your business's specific needs and requirements. Let's talk about investment. Cybersecurity is not an expense, it's an investment, and it's a journey. With that being said, building your own security team takes up a lot of resources and a lot of effort. You need to put in a lot of time and money to set up the right team and the right systems. Those are resources that you might not have a lot of right now. ITS Managed Cybersecurity can provide you with enterprise-level security at much more affordable pricing. What can you expect when getting ITS Managed Cybersecurity? Now, when getting ITS Managed Cybersecurity, you should expect exemplary support from cybersecurity experts to address incidents quickly, access to advanced cybersecurity systems and tool sets, extensive threat intelligence that will help protect your network, 24/7 coverage for real-time protections, and customized plans that will fit your budget. In addition, our ITS Managed Cybersecurity services are packaged with extensive managed IT services like proactive maintenance, a full-service help desk, and much more. Can ITS Managed Cybersecurity help me with compliance? ITS Managed Cybersecurity is a comprehensive package that can provide your business with a holistic, multi-layered cybersecurity solution. We offer a wide range of tools and services that can dramatically improve your cybersecurity posture and help you meet strict regulatory compliance requirements. We can help you meet the following compliance requirements in cybersecurity frameworks: HIPAA, also known as Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, the Payment Card Industry, or PCI, NIST, or the National Institute of Standards and Technology, cyber insurance, and other industry regulations as well. What services are included in the packages? To help you understand the service plans we offer, let's break down the list of services included for each plan. All packages include a comprehensive list of managed IT services. That includes the following: full service, manned help desk with 24/7 support, emergency response, unlimited on-site support, guaranteed response times, a virtual CIO, managed office, network, and more. On top of that, our core plan will have all the basic cybersecurity necessities, including cybersecurity product support, multi-factor authentication, email anti-spoofing, DNS security, endpoint detection and response, and annual security user testing. The secure plan incorporates additional advanced services, including real-time monitoring and alerting, managed detection and response, cloud application monitoring, including support for multiple cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, Box, Okta, and more. Advanced email filtering, email anti-spoofing, dark web monitoring, security awareness training, phishing simulations, vulnerability scanning, both internal and external, third-party patching, 24/7 security operations center support, threat intelligence, threat hunting, intrusion detection, incident response, and more. Which plan should you get for your business? Well, it all depends on what you need. For small businesses that are just starting out cybersecurity, our core plan is a great option that allows you to scale up as you grow in the future. If your company stores sensitive information or operates in a high-risk industry, our secure plan can meet most, if not all, of your cybersecurity needs. If you have regulatory and compliance needs that require more sophisticated security solutions, our ITS Verify plan can be just the ticket to what you're looking for. Please reach out to us for guidance. We can help you determine what solutions would work best for you through a cybersecurity risk assessment. From there, we can offer custom solutions if your business has any unique security requirements. What do I need to do before buying ITS Managed Cybersecurity? Now, if you're interested in getting ITS Managed Cybersecurity for your business, schedule a meeting with one of our experts. They can help guide you through the process and get you started on your cybersecurity journey. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology.